I think I want to take you down memory lane to when we first started the barge 5 months ago and show you our progress. It feels like every small step that has been taken has been a journey in itself, but nonetheless, we get closer and closer to the end result with a whole bunch of memories to always remember.
Oh my gosh, listen to the sound of that thing. Smoky Joe. I feel like I'm just going to put her on autopilot quick and, sit down and have a cup of tea.
And that's it. We're free.